There's a river flowing from a snow-capped peak. It's flowing fast and it's cold and deep, and it's so refreshing for a homesick soul. Take a drink of the water, let the river flow. Dip your cup in the river, let it run down your chin. Put your feet in the water, come on and jump on in. See, the river is running just to lead you back home. Follow the current, let the river flow. And the river's flowing through this broken town, and it's bringing healing to all the broken down. Everyone who drinks it will never thirst again. It satisfies the spirit and it washes sin. There's a river flowing through these poor dirty streets. It will take every guilt and make you come away clean. So let's talk about forgiveness. Let me tell you about hope. Let's talk about heaven. Let me tell you about home. See, the river's flowing through this broken town, and it's bringing healing to all the broken down. Everyone who drinks it will never thirst again. It satisfies the spirit and it washes sin. If you'll try and drink it, you'll never thirst again. It satisfies the spirit, it will wash your sin.